Hi, my name is AJ Gerard from StrobeAdvice. Today I will show you how to replace a halogen bulb in a Narva Optimax Halogen rotating beacon. In order to replace the halogen bulb, you will first need to remove the outer dome. That is done simply by twisting the dome anti-clockwise. Just place that to the side. There you will see the reflector assembly with the halogen bulb. In order to remove the halogen bulb, you will need to press down on this metal clip. Like that. That comes loose. There we go. Then, to remove the halogen bulb, simply press down lightly and slide out like so. There you will see the halogen bulb is connected to the terminal. In order to disconnect the halogen bulb, you will need to grasp onto the terminal and the halogen bulb and pull upwards on the bulb. This is quite hard because it's connected into the terminal. Oh, that was hard. So there you'll see that the prong here connects into the terminal there, and this bulb has been in this terminal for almost 4 years. So it has become quite difficult to remove. So this beacon does not require a new bulb, therefore we will go ahead and replace the existing halogen bulb back into the terminal. So that is done by connecting this metal plate here between the clips here and the flat piece there. So they've got to go in that little slot there. Be sure not to get it between the flat piece and the protector for the terminal. And just push that in. Just make sure that that's connected. Yep, that is connected. Then just cover up the terminal with this rubber sleeve here, and then slide this back into the reflector assembly like so. There you go. And then simply press the metal clip back under the bulb. There you go. Then all you need to do is replace the outer dome. And there you go. That is how you replace a halogen bulb in a Narva Optimax Halogen rotating beacon. Thanks for watching this video. Please feel free to like, comment and subscribe. And check us out on our new Flickr page at StrobeAdvice, and we will see you in our next video in the not too distant future.